everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jaleesa Moses, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. Today's video is going to be a tutorial of how I install my clip-ins, or a demonstration rather. You've all seen me put clip-ins in my hair numerous videos now. If you watch me consistently, you know that I've been experimenting with clip-ins since the latter part of last year. So I've just still kind of been doing that. I have been consistently using Ollie Julia hair. I find that Ollie Julia hair works the best for me when it is when I have shorter lengths. This time I wanted to try a longer length of extensions just to see how it would work for me. I wanted to rock more of a Kelly Rowland, Destiny's Child, Destiny Fulfilled era type of hair, or giving me more of like Beyonce performance hair, or Kenya Moore Real Housewives of Atlanta hair. Like, that's the type of look I was trying to channel, but I just wish that it was more voluminous at the bottom. But I find that the longer the extensions get, it gets harder to blend it and have it be more voluminous, unless maybe trying a sew-in. I think with clip-ins it's a little bit more difficult, especially if you have your hair out with it. But nonetheless, I just wanted to show you how I install my clip-ins, as I said before. If you are a consistent viewer of my channel and you're subscribed to my channel, then you've seen me do this routine numerous of times. But if you are not new to my channel, then this will be showing you how I install the hair, or the clip-ins, how I give myself like a full head of hair. So this is part 2. I didn't want the first video to be too long, so this is demonstrating how I install the clip-ins, and this is part 2 of that demonstration. So with that being said, let's jump into the demonstration. I'm going to be working on stretched hair, and I'll be starting by parting my hair like so. I'm going to be adding my custom DIY clip-in extensions. I will be clipping each extension a few centimeters away from my scalp. I'm just going to attach and secure the clip. If you want a little bit more detail, then please refer back to part 1 of this video, which I am going to link down in my description box for anyone who is interested. After attaching and securing the first clip-in extension, I will be repeating that until I have attached and secured 7 clip-ins in my head. I usually comb out each one of my clip-ins so that they blend with my natural hair's frizziness a lot more, and also my coily texture. But I forgot to do it for every track. So in this clip, you see me doing it only for, I think, maybe 1 or 2 times. Probably just 1. I'm also going to be leaving out a chunk of my hair on top of my crown and in the front. And this is going to help me to camouflage the clip-in tracks as much as possible. Next, I'm going to begin to 2-strand twist my hair into the clip-in extensions. And then I'm going to spiral the twists with a perm rod. This is the exact same way that I would do a twist and curl on my natural hair. This time I'm just feeding in the clip-in extensions with my hair. This technique helps to blend the natural hair, or my natural hair, with the clip-in extensions. I did use a little bit of As I Am Curl Enhancing Smoothie for my styler, which I do not show in this clip.
This is the Slimster.
Next, I'm going to work on twist and curling my leave out with the same styler and the perm rods. I left my hair and the clip-in extensions in spiral curls overnight, and this helps to get a really good curl definition. Okay, now I'm ready to remove the perm rods. Once all of the perm rods are removed, then I will begin to separate each curl. Then I move on to fluffing and doctoring up the hair, looking for ways to create a little bit more shape and volume. I wasn't really getting the results that I wanted, so I decided to cut some inches off just to make the clip-ins more fuller and to create shape, and so the extensions would blend with my hair a little bit more. It was definitely a challenge to get everything to look a little bit more blended and fuller, but I did the best that I could. As I mentioned before earlier in the video, I do find that the longer the extensions are, at least in my opinion, it's a little bit more challenging to get the extensions to blend with my leave out. I think that maybe if I had a sew-in, it wouldn't have been as challenging. Or it probably would not have been challenging at all, but because I had so much leave out and because I had to blend my hair, I just had to work a little bit more. And I just did that by really creating a lot of kink and frizz with the clip-ins. So I just kind of started to pick it out and just kind of tease it a little bit more. Again, I'm just frizzing out the extensions with the pick, trying to create more volume and shape so that I can get the look and the blend that I want. And after all my hard work is done, this is the look that I achieved. Alright ladies, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!